Another topic under partnership form of organization we have to study is your registration. Now, what is the meaning of registration? It means entering of the firm's name along with the relevant prescribed particulars in the register of firms kept with the registrar of firms. So basically, to me, at a firm, whether you exist or not, you get it registered. Okay, this registration is done where? With the registrar of firms. Okay, so it gives a proof of the existence of a partnership firm. So registration gives a proof that okay, such and so such and such partnership firm exists. However, remember, very important point, it is optional for a partnership firm to get registered. That means optional money, it is not compulsory. Okay, it is not compulsory for the partnership firm to get itself registered. It is optional. However, if you register, okay, there are certain benefits, certain privileges. কিছুমান তুমি benefits লাভ হ'ব যদি তুমি register কৰাব যোৱা, if you get the form registered. The consequences of a non-registration, কিন্তু তুমি যদি registration নকৰা, you have to face certain difficulties in future. Okay, the consequences মানে the results of non-registration. If you don't register, you have to face certain problems. Okay, first problem is a partner of an unregistered firm cannot file a suit mane suit file a suit against the firm or other partners. Filing a suit means filing a case, taking legal action. If you are a partner of an unregistered firm, then you cannot take action, legal action against other partners or against the firm. Okay, so this is your first thing. Then the firm cannot file a suit against the third parties. So if the partnership firm, say A and B partnership, okay, there are two partnership, two people in the partnership firm. Now if they want to take any legal action against the outsider, against the supplier or against any other business person, they will not be able to, because they are not registered. And the third is the firm cannot file a suit against the partners. If the if in that partnership firm one of the partners is found to do some corruption, then the firm will not be able to take legal action against that corrupt partner, because they are not registered. So a partnership organization is known as firm. Okay, so remember this, a partnership organization is known as a firm. We call it a firm. So that is why, if so these are the problems if you don't get yourself registered. So it is advisable to get the firm registered. So you remember the act that governs partnership. So the partnership firms are registered according to the act, Partnership Act of 1932. So where the partners will get themselves registered? In the registrar of firms of that state in which the firm is situated. Okay, registration can be at the time of formation or at any time during the existence. The first point is, it's good if you get yourself registered. According to the Indian Partnership Act 1932, the firms may get registered with the registrar of firms. And the third is, you can get yourself registered in the state. If you're in Assam, so in Assam, okay, then the registration can be either at the time of opening the partnership firm or at any time after the partnership firm is established. So these are about the register. So please remember these consequences. Okay, these are very important. These consequences, these three, it can be asked for 3 marks. In this video, we will understand what is the process of registering a partnership firm. Is a registration korabo how will you start? What is the process? So one thing that we have already studied, that you have to go to the nearest go to the office in your state, okay, the registrar of firms of the state in which the partnership firm is situated. Then the registration can be any time. So what is the procedure? Okay, what is the procedure? Number one, submission of application in the prescribed form to the registrar of firms. So there will be an application. In that application, these details will be there. You have to fill it up. name of firm, location of firm, name of other places where the business is carried, the date on which each partner joined, name and address of the partners, duration of partnership. This application should be signed by all the partners. Second step, deposit of required fees. So, in application and registration, you have to pay a fees. So, you have to pay the fees to the registrar of firms. And finally, number three, the registrar, after approval, will verify all the documents, make an entry in the register of firms, and will subsequently issue a certificate of registration. So, this is about your process of registration of firms. Okay, this is about your partnership registration process.